everything changes.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome into the channel, and a couple of stories that I was looking at today, and then all of a sudden Jeff Bezos steps down as CEO of Amazon. He's resigning as CEO. He will become the official chairman of the board. So what does this mean for Amazon as a company, one, and for maybe Amazon sellers or Amazon buyers or everyone in the e-commerce world that uses Amazon, which is a huge amount of us on pretty much every day or every week / month basis. What does that mean for the company? Well, it doesn't mean a lot in my opinion. I want to take you over and catch the story. I want to show you guys the story here and read it to you, and then kind of give you my feelings. Amazon stock went crazy. It took a big dip and then it shot up. So for as far as stocks go, I feel like it'll neutralize itself and end up right back where it was. But I think Amazon as a company is going to continue just doing all of the things that it's been doing. I don't think there's going to be much change. Bezos wouldn't have stepped down without ensuring that the people he's putting in charge, person and peoples, will continue to, toe the line of what he's always done. And as far as him being chairman of the board, that means he's still going to have a significant say in what actually happens at Amazon. So he's got a lot of shared interest. Of course, his shares worth hundreds of billions of dollars, 180, 200 billion, whatever it is that it amounts to. So he doesn't want the company to tank and his wealth to tank with it. So my guess is he's doing it, one, for having less responsibilities and less work. That's what most CEOs do. They get to take a step back. Daily duties go away. They designate. They send things out. They micromanage, but they just become chairmen, board members, and they get to do less work. That's partly what I would do as well. But that means they still get to oversee the company. So let's go over, let's check out the story, and then I'll ask for your opinions and what you think of it in the comments section below. All right, so here we are over on IGN, just a random website I picked because I like IGN. I didn't want to go after CNN or MSNBC or any of those. Everybody gives me a hard time when I use those. So Amazon, Jeff Bezos, two-step down as CEO, founded Amazon in 1994. So as we scroll down, Amazon has announced that their CEO will resign his position third quarter of 2021, so just in a few months, and will transition to the executive chair of Amazon's board. Amazon Web Services, that's AWS, which as far as I know makes more money for Amazon than anything. Their CEO, Andy Jassy, will replace Bezos, so obviously second in line there at Amazon. Bezos released an announcement saying, "I'm excited to announce that this Q3 I'll transition to executive chair of the Amazon board, and Andy Jassy will become CEO." He sent this to his employees. "In the executive chair role, I intend to focus my energies and attention on new products and early initiatives. Andy is well known inside the company, has been in Amazon almost as long as I have. He will be an outstanding leader and has my full confidence." Bezos continued his statement saying he'll use his new role as executive chair of Amazon's board to focus on initiatives like Amazon's Day One Fund, the Bezos Earth Fund, Blue Origin, and the Washington Post, among others. He founded Amazon in 1994. They passed the $1 trillion market cap in 2020 under his leadership. He's worth approximately $182 billion as of December, making him the wealthiest person on the planet, which is no longer the case. I believe it's now Elon Musk who overtook him. Jassy joined Amazon in 1997. He directed work on Amazon Web Services since its launch in 2006. Of course, Amazon provides cloud computing, API services to individuals and companies, data storage, networking, developer tools, and more. And to give you an idea of how important AWS is, it's accounting for 52%, like I thought, of Amazon's operating income in October of 2020, meaning this guy's in charge of the most profitable cash cow of Amazon. They support various game developers such as Clash of Clans developers, Supercell, Borderlands 3, Gearbox, Monster Hunter World, Capcom, and others. And so there you go. That is Jeff Bezos. After stepping further away from day-to-day operations at Amazon, Bezos found himself pulled back in due to the COVID-19 pandemic. He did try to focus more on his spaceships and all that stuff, but of course COVID caused Amazon to blow up and he had to come back to do more work. Bezos also been criticized numerous times for anti-worker policies, including aggressive monitoring employee behavior to stop unionization efforts, according to CNBC. And Amazon also temporarily closed a New Jersey warehouse after a spike in COVID-19. 20,000 employees apparently caught it in the 6 months of the pandemic. Of course, they kept working. But there you go. Jeff Bezos stepping down as the day-to-day CEO and will be the executive executive chair of the board of directors. So what do you guys think of that? What do you think is going to happen with Amazon? I believe the company will continue on its trajectory. I think Bezos will start spending some of that money, selling some of that shares. I think they'll be just fine. For sellers, there is a huge change coming for Amazon sellers. I don't know if it started under Bezos. I don't know if the new CEO is going to continue it, but probably so. It looks like it. I will show you guys that tomorrow in another video, so stay tuned for that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I think there's not going to be a ton of change. I think the buying experience will remain the same. It's not broken. Don't fix it. Don't mess with it. And I think they'll continue on just the way they are. It seems like these two were pretty close, and the new CEO will probably keep the Bezos status quo in order. So I look forward to seeing your comments about this. But Jeff Bezos, Amazon's Jeff Bezos, stepping down after some 26 years in charge of Amazon as CEO. All right. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.